Okay, we're gonna talk about how to assemble 1-inch inline orbit. In this case, I already took it apart, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. If you want to know how to disassemble it, I guess just need to play backward. Okay, so this is heavy duty 1-inch inline by Orbit, and this particular one is optional coming from the bottom to the right or left. Actually, there will be direction on it, so you can have the water source coming from the bottom and then discharge this way, or you can plug it in just like the photo and then have the water supply coming in from this end to discharge it over here. This particular one has the plunger type. Okay, so I got this one right here already disassembled. When you get it from the store, this portion is already come as taken apart, so you can put some Teflon tape on here to put it to the arrow direction here, so you can put it at the bottom of it if the water is coming in from the left side here where the arrow is, or you can plug it here if the water is coming from the top. Okay, oops. So very first thing is this diaphragm that goes in. Looks like this is a little bit okay. We want to make sure it's not going to go on like that, of course. Just you want to make sure it goes on top of like this. And we need to get if you are looking for a replacement one, make sure you get a one that has a hole at through that, because the top right here has the rod that's adjustable, the pressure, so it needs to go through there and come out the other end like this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in nicely, snug fit, and there's a spring that goes on it like that, and then this portion over here, this black knob, that needs to go right here. So that there's a one notch right here, so that needs to match over here. Plus this this pin needs to go right to the center of it. So just go ahead and center that in like that. Then put some screws. For the demonstration purpose, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in. Looks like I'm missing one screw, so I need to look for that. So I'll just go ahead and tighten that up very tightly so the water will not leak, and tighten it all the way with the Phillips should be good. After that's all done, this portion right here goes on to put it on like this, and then close it all the way. So it needs to be closed like this, almost touching the center cylinder portion of it, like that. And then go ahead and put your solenoid, screw it on that, and then this handle goes on top of it like this. Okay, so don't forget to get a screwdriver and tighten on every one of them. I need to look for one more of this. Hope you enjoyed this. Good day. Okay, here is the finished product. It's very tight between the top bonnet portion of it and the bottom portion of it. It should be very tight. So we're ready to go.